Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Lake Porter City. And today we're checking out this pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is gray, and under the hood we have a 5.0 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks, and over the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass and a backup camera. At the interior, we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. And as we move closer into the cabin, you will see our great cloth seating with adjustments on the side. Over at our steering column, we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right are media and hands-free options. Look ahead, you can see in our settings, we have clock, Bluetooth, phone, navigation, general, 911 assist, Wi-Fi, automatic updates, Ford Pass Connect. Look at the navigation. Below our dual climate control area, which includes heating and conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. Cup holders, storage. At the rear we have door storage, cup holder, and power windows. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 XLT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We'd like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.